Welcome back to the channel. Today's job site, we are doing another downspout extension, plus we're adding in a 4-inch sleeve. Downspout is going to come out to here to a pop-up. We're going to be coming over this way. They are going to be making a walkway path of pavers going all the way at the end, so we're trying to stay on the inside of that so we don't have to dig deeper and cost the customer more money. We're following the white line all the way down and around. They're going to be putting a pool in the backyard. This is where the pump and everything is going to be. We're coming all the way to here to this downspout, and then we're going to have a 4-inch sleeve going all the way from one side of the house to the other side of the house, so that way we can reroute their sprinkler system. You want to do this before they install a patio or pavers or anything, because then otherwise you'd have to go around the entire pool to come over here, and obviously that would cost the customer more money. So we try to make it as efficient as possible and as cheap for the customer as possible. Now that we've dug it all out, as you can see, left it a couple inches before the curb, so that way it can facilitate the water. We have it all the way down here. You always, like I said, you always have to call for a mark out beforehand, because there lies the cable line in there. I'm gonna connect this up to here, go all the way around under the sprinkler lines. Got this going. Had to put some pipe in already just to make sure I got a grade. The next video, all the pipe will be put together and show the complete grade. And there we have it. Now this is called the sprinkler sleeve. It's a 4-inch pipe that goes from corner of the house to corner of the house, so that way we can run the irrigation lines through it and it's not under the stamped concrete or pavers, because if that happens and if there ever was a leak, it would undermine it and break the pavers and slowly leak back into the basement. So if you have a pool or anything else like this installed, please make sure you have a sleeve put in beforehand to make things a lot easier to run the irrigation instead of spending a ton of money trying to run around the entire pool. And here is the downspout extension drainage system completed all the way to there. We have it tied in. As you can see, it is going fully downhill from this corner all the way down. Everything else I have it slightly downhill to level. And since we have to run the sprinkler line to the front, we just put the sprinkler line in the trench as well to go all the way around. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and this customer also wanted his clean out to face his pool that he's having installed, so if he ever needs to drain it or anything else, he can do so. And over here we have the 4-inch sleeve with the sprinkler line already in it. This is what we were talking about earlier. This is what you need to have installed before you have any kind of patio or concrete put back here, so that way if anything was to break, the sprinkler line would not undermine any pavers or concrete to leak into your house. And here's the other side of the 4-inch sleeve that is right next to the valve boxes, so we can actually hook it in and have this zones be able to run in the front. But that is why it is important to install this 4-inch sleeve beforehand. Otherwise you'd have to pay a ton of money to go all the way around the entire yard out to the front just for one zone. And now to finish it off, we've filled up from the clean out here right here, as he will be using for if he ever needs anything for his pool. We have the 4-inch sprinkler sleeve backfilled, and that's ran into the trench here. We run all that. All the water goes all the way down. Tees off here. As you can see, we put the grass back over. It's going to rain tomorrow, so it'll all look even better. And it all facilitates out of here like it's supposed to. And that is another job well done.